Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.630 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.25 and $17.651. The earlier day close $1.25 and 29. The change was plus 0.1 plus 661%. Converse rate as to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 667 coins. Exorbitant cost 830.33, while low 667. The found the middle value of cost 7340. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7692. Change for June 15.4%. US to Doge expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 7,692 coins. Excessive cost 7,692, while low 6,667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,299. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 7,143, change for July 7.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 7,143 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,143, while low 5,882. The found the middle value of cost 6,605. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 6,250, change for August 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 6,250 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,250, while low 5,263. The found the middle value of cost 5,830. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,556, change for September 11.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 5,556 coins. Excessive cost 5,882, while low 5,263. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,564. The S to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 5,556, change for October 0%. S to Doge expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 5,556 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,556, while low 5,000. The found the middle value of cost 5,344. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,263, change for November 5.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 5,263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,263, while low 4,167. The found the middle value of cost 4,810. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 4,545, change for December 13.6%. US to Doge expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 4,545 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4,167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,564. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,545, change for January's own percent. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 4,545 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 4,000. The found the middle value of cost 4,414. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 4,3048, change for February 4.3%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 4,3048 coins. Excessive cost 4,5045, while low 3,846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,227. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,167, change for spring 4.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,545, while low 3,846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,181. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,167, change for April 0%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,3048, while low 3,704. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,055. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,000 to change for May 40%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,669. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 3,448, change for June 13.8%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 3,448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,5071, while low 3,125. They found the middle value of cost 3,369. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,333, change for July 33%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,333 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,333. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,754. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,000 change for August 20%. US to Doge expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,226. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,669. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,448, change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at 3,448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,226. They found the middle value of cost 3,457. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,448, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 4,167, while low 3,448. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,727. The US to Doge figured toward the month's end 3,846, change for November 11.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 3,846 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,448. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,750. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,704, change for December 3.7%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 3,704 coins. Excessive cost 4,762, while low 3,704. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,130. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,348, change for January 17.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for February 2026. In the first place cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,556, while low 4,348. They found the middle value of cost 4,879. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,263, change for February 21%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 5,263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 5,263. They found the middle value of cost 5,491. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,556, change for spring 5.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for April 2026.